There we are. Everybody say hi.
Well, that bridge that you came across, that little one, it's right there. That's why the bridge is crooked, because one of it's on one side and the other one's on the other side.
All right, so this is the fountain that Jack made, right?
Right. This is the fountain that Jack built.
Yeah, but it is so cute. Okay, you guys, be a little more lively.
Animated, you want us?
Yeah, a little animation would be nice.
Dance in the fountain, would that make you happy?
Oh, let's just go swimming.
Oh my.
Lynn sat on the edge and got her butt wet last.
I did. That would be true, I did.
Now Dwayne will yell at me. I'll see a smoking cigarette.
Oh, yeah.
So that,
You should go and
whoops.
see if you can. Oh, the rooms are all booked. Go take a video of the great room. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I don't think I got any of it inside.
Take a video of the San Andreas Fault right there.
All right. Let's see here. So now, what did you say about that?
That's the San Andreas Fault. Well, actually, the bridge is where the San Andreas Fault is.
Yeah.
You can give me a cigarette.
So there's earthquakes here all the time.
Right. So what is this? Did this start out being together?
No, I think that's just sort of like a memorial thing. Maybe to show the distance that it's moved. I don't know. We have to read the thing.
If you want to, when you get done smoking, put your cigarette out.
Oh, see, we're comfy.
It's pretty well reinforced.
Yeah.
Can you believe she said that? Okay, let's swing a little bit.
Look at, I've got cleavage.
Oh! Now, is this the coolest swing? I love this thing.
This is the swing that Jack built.
It is the swing that Jack
This
built.
is the town that Jack built.
Yeah. I just think it's so cute.
It is.
You guys are
Very
cute.
cute.
We'll have to tell Erin what that means.
Yeah.
Tell everybody, what does that mean?
Everybody wave. Hi.
It does.
Oh.
You silly goose.
Too bad it doesn't have voice on it.
What century
Well,
are you in?
Lord.
I didn't know.
Everybody say hi, Rhonda.
Hi, Rhonda. Hi, Gayla.
Hi.
Hi, Ronnie.
Hi, Dwayne. Who else?
We're just
Oh, my
we're just
God.
a couple of swingers here.
We're just swinging. You want to swing with us? Oh, come on.
I don't think so, he says.
Nope.
We're not really weird. We just
Yeah,
Too
we
sexy
are.
for a shirt.
No picking up on children.
Oh, come on.
This is coming out of the inn.
Well, I guess if there was no vacancy, the sign would be turned around the other way.
Which way is it turned? Oh, we can ask. Whew. That Jack built. And Jack, we will meet in a little bit.
Wow, that's very cool.
Oh, you know what? Why don't you guys stand in front of it?
It does say V6 on it.
Bullet hole in his pocket.
Oh, did you guys know Skunk died?
Oh,
Remember
no.
Skunk?
Is Skunk the one
Skunk and no, that was Crazy Stu. He died too.
Oh.
Yeah. Can't really see the. It's too much backlighting to actually see the face, but Jack and his dogs.
Yeah, you guys go over there.
No, you go. I'll take pictures.
For love is as strong as death. It is jealous and does not yield. It burns like a blazing fire. It scorches like a mighty flame. Many waters cannot quench love. Very first time, Paul and Carol Abreu.
Yay!
And thank you all for being here. Thank you, thanks for making it happen. We appreciate it. Wasn't that cool? I can see that people start doing that. That's pretty cool,
Now we are filming.
Okay, I just want to show everyone who didn't get to come on the cattle drive. We just got off our horses. We have ridden 15 miles or more. We started at about 11:30. It is now what time, Lynn?
6:15.
We're just setting up camp, and I want you to know we did have our priorities. The first things that we set up was the tequila and the table and the chair and the sleeping bags.
Yes,
Okay?
as you know, it should be.
Exactly. We found out we have no water pressure. We could be up here for days.
It could happen. We might not be able to go back to work. Okay, now here is Erin. I want everybody to notice Erin has a tent. That would be because she is a girly girl.
She's a
She is-
weenie girl.
She is a sissy lala, yes. But she's cute.
Come
But she
here.
is still part of the Yaya sisterhood.
Exactly. That would be
You
yes.
Sit down there, Natty, because I got the zoom lens here.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Okay, now is that necessarily nice?
Well, I wonder if it's good or not. Do you have to be in the square? Look at me. Hold a shot of tequila.
Hold on. Let me pour one.
Okay, but Annette, if you pour it, you can only drink the bottom half.
Oh, you got it.
How do you fix the flash?
Okay, girls, I'm gonna pour. You want one, Brenda?
Hello. She is such a silly girl.
What kind of question is that?
I know. See?
Erin?
This has got too many mechanical parts.
Okay, now who is the mechanically challenged?
No, well, I mean, because I can't read it. I ain't got no glass.
You didn't bring your glasses?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Should I?
Wait a minute.
Aunt Lil. Look at Paul.
Oh, cool. Very pretty. Nice. Okay, one more. Big
She's cutting off her.
You were perfect. You're going to be a model.
I know. She's very photogenic.
I didn't turn it off yet.
Okay.
Okay, cut that her.
Okay,
Should I
let's...
just cut two?
I didn't want to get cake all over Tim's jacket.
Okay, hang on. Let me get some more pieces.
Yeah, Tim, as you're
get
telling
some
me
more
to, go for it, this is your jacket.